I'm in the motorhome for a change. It's a little bit cooler today. I say a little bit. It's very humid today though, which hasn't been that humid recently. Just kind of waiting on the Z4 to go through, and it's been quite successful. 6 months so far. My original plan by the end of the year was to have a Z4. I've got one. I've also got C-Class Merc, and we're only 6 months into it. It's 2nd of July or something now, so I've got there quite quickly. It's kind of slowing down a little bit now because I'm just waiting for imports of the cars, and obviously I rent part of my villa out Airbnb, so noise levels have to be to a minimum, and can only do noisy stuff when I know that there's no one in. So I've got a Seat Ibiza that failed at his ITV. It's my friends I'm doing it for. Once that's all fixed, I can get that one on the driveway, get it sanded down, get it all, because there's a massive bit of botched Bondo on sill on one side, so that's gonna have to be fixed and resprayed, and get that one sold. I need the money from that to fund the C-Class import. So yeah, I think we're going to slow down a little bit over the summer. There's nothing really I can do about it. Plus, it's really hot. Spray paint, and I've been keeping an eye on the temperatures and stuff like that, and temperatures seems to be about the same. But today, the humidity is far too high. Even if I was going to be spraying. However, the past few weeks, that's been 35 plus degrees, the 40 maximum, 45% humidity. This is obviously my first year of actually doing it a little bit more seriously, and I've got to keep track of these numbers so I can work out if it's actually going to be able to be done in summer, because you don't really pay attention to the humidity side of things. But it looks good. It looks like it is going to be possible. In the motorhome at the minute, obviously it's just had its ITV done. Me and my daughter are going to take it away for a couple of nights in a couple of weeks, or week and a half. Got a few extra fans fitted, got the portable aircon unit, which it gets vented out the window, which I've done a little video for, and only cost €65 all in, including the unit. Second hand, even though it's pretty good condition. What else we got? And then start of August, we're away to Blanes, Barcelona. So we'll be going there, taking two nights to get up there, staying there for 7 nights, seeing friends coming over from England and other friends that live in Barcelona. Stay there for a week and then spend 2 weeks coming back. So the summer's really sort of busy anyway, without the car side of things. Yeah, so the plan would be get the Z4 imported, get it sold, bank the money for now, keep an eye out for other jobs obviously, get the Ibiza in, get the cash for that, because that'll probably happen, hopefully, or should happen probably before the Z4, and get the C-Class driven over, because there's also a CLK, which my garage that I use back home, that he's got. It's a compressor one. It's nice. Doesn't need anything done, just imported and sold. So depending how money goes, that could be another one. There's not many of the petrol ones on the market over here, but there is kind of a push in the European Union to push out diesel cars. So may find that petrol cars, for example the C-Class is a blue efficiency. I know the compressor probably isn't great on fuel, but it's still a petrol at the end of the day. It still comes into the Eco Stick, I think. So, just a little bit of a story. What's happening at the minute? Motorhome is awesome. It's, nothing really to do. Needs it clean. The X5, favourite car I've ever had, by far. Every time I jump in it, it's weirdly, I think about it, well, I say it quite a lot when I get in the car, but jumping in the Z4 than jumping in the X5, you're like, oh, it's so nice, it's comfortable, it's quicker, effortless power, obviously an automatic. It's not the driver's car that the Z4 is, I get that, but it's maybe just my age, and obviously I've got family as well, so like, having a two-seater, you know, I've always wanted one, and I always wanted to keep that one, but the more I drive the X5, I go, you know what, I'm not too bothered if I sell it now, not too bothered. Having a second car would be nice, whether we need one or not, I don't know, but I've always thought the 6 Series convertible would be a good second car. So maybe that might be the next goal. 3 Series convertible. The good thing with 3 Series convertible is it's hard top convertible, although there's more to go wrong. But the 6 Series has more space. And it's just awesome looking thing. I really do like them. You can tell like the E series of that era of BMWs. But again, it's I should really not be buying cars that I like, because it makes me a bit slower to get things done. Right, I'm going to have a tackle of the lights now on the Z4, because waiting for this quote to come through. If it's €90, yeah, no problem, pay it, do it. If it comes with a couple hundred, I can buy some new ones. It's new aftermarket ones, 300 or something, I think. Although I am selling it, so I should really go for the cheap option, but let's see how we go. Look, wearing a smart shirt for a change. Don't know why. It's the only cotton one I could find. Got so many like football tops and stuff like that. It's just too bloody hot, man. But I was in the hairdressers before, and it's just like with the like thing on the gown. Oh man. So that's it for the minute. Yeah, I'm gonna crack on, try and do a few little bits, so I'm not actually wasting a day here. But it's a quick update in a bit.